Hi, everyone. I am here to tell you about a workshop I will be offering on March 23rd at 6:30 p.m. Central Time, and it's called Vision Your Life. So if there's something in your life that you'd like to see working differently for you or out picturing different for you, maybe it's something with your health, with your career, with your relationships, maybe where you live, I'll teach you the visioning process. And the visioning process was pioneered by Reverend Michael Bernard Beckwith of Agape International Spiritual Center. And he's an amazing intellectual, spiritual mind. And I'd love to teach you his techniques for really catching from your intuition, from spirit, what the next move is for you to reach your highest vision of your desires, of what you really want to be living in your life. So I'll teach you how to do that. We'll go through it actually in the class so that not only will you get some information from the universe in this class, but you'll know how to do it going forward. So I'll give you worksheets that you can take with you afterwards. It's going to be highly interactive. And then I'll share with you not only once you have your vision, but then how to anchor that in, how to draw that into your life. And I'm so excited to teach this to you and share it with you because it has been a profound tool for me on my spiritual path and really cultivating the life that helps me, sing the song of my soul. And I am so grateful for it. So I hope you will join me, livelifespiritual.com, and click on workshops and you'll see it. March 23rd, 6:30 p.m. Central Time. Sign up now and we'll get you set up to vision your life.